Okay. V, what do you got? You got a BarkBox? Let's see what's in your BarkBox. What's this? The Mutt Cracker. My goodness. What's the Mutt Cracker? What's this, Violet? Goodness gracious. Nikolai, the Nutcracker. What else is in here? You got a duck stick. What else is in here, Violet? Wilhelm the Walnut. Dance of the Berry Dazzled Duck. But those are good. Dance of the Sugar Yum Piggy. Oh, I think those are going to be winners. What else? From one lucky dog to another. Is it a winner, Violet? Oh, Violet! You can give a BarkBox to a buddy. Isn't that sweet? Isn't that sweet? Okay. Thank you, BarkBox.